Cracking the code. Mastering adjectives and adverbs in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. In today's lesson, we'll dive into an essential part of English grammar, adjectives and adverbs. More specifically, we're going to focus on choosing the correct form of these crucial components. Mastering this can significantly enhance your English language skills, whether in speaking, writing, or even just understanding. So, let's get started. Adjectives and adverbs are words that we use to modify or describe other words. Adjectives usually describe nouns, telling us more about their characteristics, while adverbs typically modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs, describing how, where, when, or to what degree something happens. Let's look at some examples. She has a beautiful dress. Adjective. He runs quickly. Adverb. When it comes to using adjectives and adverbs, it's essential to pick the correct form. Usually, adverbs are formed by adding "ly" to an adjective, but there are exceptions, and not all words ending in "ly" are adverbs. Remember, we use adjectives with nouns and adverbs with verbs. For example, you'd say, "She sings beautifully," and not, "She sings beautiful," since "beautifully" modifies the verb sings. We also have some irregular forms, where the adjective and adverb have the same form, such as fast, hard, or late. It can be tricky, but context can help you choose the right one. Here are some examples. He runs fast. Adverb, modifying runs. He is a fast runner. Adjective, modifying runner. Linking verbs such as is, seem, feel, or look can be followed by adjectives instead of adverbs because they describe the subject of the sentence, not the verb. For instance, she looks happy, not she looks happily. Now, let's test your understanding. Try to choose the correct form of the word in parentheses. 1. She, blank, completed the task. Quick, quickly. 2. He's a, blank, worker. Careful, carefully. 3. The soup tastes, blank. Good, well. 4. You performed, blank, in the test. Amazing, amazingly. Answers. 1. Quickly. 2. Careful. 3. Good. 4. Amazingly. That's all for today's lesson on choosing the correct form of adjectives and adverbs. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep exercising, writing, and talking, and you'll find these rules becoming second nature. Don't forget, even if you make mistakes, that's all part of the learning process. So keep trying, and you'll see improvement. Until next time, happy learning!